Kapag kayo po ay nahihirapan, kayo po ay may karamdaman, look upon Jesus Christ. Kapag kayo po ay may problema, look upon Christ. Because in that name, there is power. On that name, there is healing. On that name, the name Jesus Christ, there is salvation. The first time na siya ay pumunta rito sa mundong ito, he is like a lamb, slain. But the second time na siya ay pumunta rito, he is a lion, a roaring lion. Amen. Nandiyan pa ba tayo mga kapatid? Nung una siyang pumunta rito, he is a servant. But the second coming of Jesus Christ, he is a king. Can I hear amen? The first time na siya pumunta rito, he is a lawyer. But the second time, he is the judge. The first time na nakapunta rito si Jesus Christ, he was just riding on a donkey. But the second time na siya ay pupunta rito, mga kapatid, he was riding in the white horse. Hello. Hello. Ang ating inaantay is the blessed hope. Tapikin mo ang katabi mo, sabihin mo, tumingin ka lang kay Jesus.